Salon Fambulem Unado, this Alpha Saidu Bangura, they bring to another edition of Kapu Sense, no Kapu Word. Today, Monday, January 30, 2017. In this edition, I will talk to una about the report where the Constitutional Review Committee headed by the Honorable Justice Edmond Kawan present to President Ernest Bai Koroma recently in a status. Some time ago, President Ernest Koroma been pick a Constitutional Review Committee for go look at Act number 6 of 1991, where na the Constitution of Sierra Leone, and see whose part them really need for review. Personally, me not able for buy the excuse they wouldn't give for let we review the Constitution, because as far as me know, the 1991 Constitution is okay, nothing wrong with them. They say the Truth and Reconciliation Commission be recommend for let we look at the Constitution back so that we go able for including the Constitution opportunities for women for participate in with politics, and then forget regional balance or tribal balance na the Constitution. If na so the Truth and Reconciliation Commission report say safe, they make that recommendation. They may not be thinking for take them, because from where the politics of Sierra Leone begin, from where we get to independence to now, there no one day stop women for participate in the politics of Sierra Leone. The present constitution will get the 1991 constitution. It clear. It say for make they register you as a political party, it say you forget a national character. So man they no go get they say they want register party. Or so woman they no go get they say they want register party. All people that will come out now one region, like the north, for example, no go get they say they want a register party. The party forget a national character, which means it will be open to everybody. It will get representation from every sector, every segment of the community. Mandemo, Umandemo, Timni, Limba, Loko, Christian, Muslim, everybody when a Sierra Leonean, we don't pass 18 years of age, get right for mixed by the politics of Sierra Leone, for register for vote, you can register for belong to a political party. That is enough. I mean, let people not give this feeling like say we be discriminate against women them. And person not for be minister or all any political office based on a gender or in tribe or usai born, not a qualification and any for all office. But then don't go review this constitution now. Then don't present them to President Ernest Koroma, where the actually say in government go look am and pull a white paper. Are they urge the government for pull the original report where the Constitutional Review Committee give them for let the public see them, so that when they go pull their own white paper, we go able for compare them, because the original report now in the committee get from people them different people that appear before that committee. They make suggestions. The committee been get representative them from all angles, political parties, professional organizations, civil society groups, they all been there. So their original report say we want for look at them together with the white paper where APC they pull, because APC they always Depa yuki. I know say they want to tailor make it for make it suits them. Certain things in the way I want for let we the people of Sierra Leone pay attention to, because it got for canto we in a referendum, and I also want for let we members of parliament and pay attention to, because it got for go to them for ratification. One of them now waiting section 40 subsection 1 of the 1991 constitution say right now, it say the president of Sierra Leone, that somebody will go get supreme executive authority. It is my understanding that the Constitutional Review Committee, the recommendation would then get from people the way appear before them, now that therefore pull with the supreme executive authority and just left them at executive authority, then water down the functions or the thing that what the president go do. And the rationale behind that, now for avoid a situation where we get today, where President Ernest Koroma just gap no more, he say a running mate, Alhaji Abubakar Samsumana, where they all two run together and they all two them vote for. He no want again, he pull am what the man in time no donate. Something where one of the original drafters of the 1991 Constitution, the Honorable Justice Dr. Abdullahi Conte, condemned. And all the Supreme Court judge that will go listen to Vice President Samsumana in case, I can challenge them say, Dr. Abdullahi Conte Sabi law pass the all. Is Sabi Constitution business pass the all. All man at the one all world know how he condemned President Ernest Koroma, and he said he no get no right for pull Vice President Samsumana. But the Supreme Court judges that will go listen the case, just because President Ernest Koroma don't buy motoka for them, then decide for put Dakadeke business pan the case, they say President Ernest Koroma get right. I believe say now that the Edmond Cowan committee look at properly, they make them very, very easy for let everybody understand now. So I want let Parliament and the people of Sierra Leone look at that. Because now one thing that one day, where them bad people in the APC, like Honorable IB Kagbo, they be the hala for. They say Justice Cowan, they do things that way not right. But I'm glad Justice Cowan and Prince William, in way no say the waiting right now the team up for. You know if you listen to them, but they will be the talk. And I respect them for that. Now down then a mortal man, waiting right now for team up, but you know they work for APC, they work for Sierra Leone. Let God bless them for that. I respect them more for that stand they will take, where not allow APC them for manipulate them. The other thing where our Parliament look at and where this reviewed constitution come to the people, they better also look at them. Now this Political Party Registration Commission, PPRC, it is now the 1991 constitution as a statutory body where go register political parties. Then pull that work they come out now the Electoral Commission, the and will be done they do all this time. No problem not being commodity. Then put them in the PPRC and. But the thing that PPRC they do now, especially in the Sierra Leone People's Party, the SLPP, they're wrong. The PPRC they multiply the SLPP the problems, especially when the SLPP self get so ill-motivated politicians them will not care about the SLPP now. They self no more than care about. Now PPRC, if the political party them get the lower level elections, then they above say na PPRC for go approve then delegates them, we get for go vote na the convention. Not all PPRC work that. Even when aspirants them for the party flag get chamot, then they write to PPRC for go make peace for them. Not to PPRC work that. every political party get their own constitution where they register the party with. And that constitution, they bound for get mechanism by which then they resolve internal issues then at the party. Not to PPRC for go tell any political party who then recognize national executive body na the party. Not to the work that. Not to the work that. So the PPRC, they multiply the problems of the political party them. And the one of the things that they for pay attention to, based on, I think, another law parliament be make, I don't remember if not be in 2002 or waiting, where kind of give more responsibility to the PPRC. They're not the do them. They're not the pay attention to the ways and means by which them political party are, they get money. They're not the demand that the political party them submit to them an audited report. Look, APC. So anything I will secret, I can tell you, I say, from 2007 to now, APC not present no audited financial report to PPRC. But PPRC, they ask them. But I believe say they go on for torment other opposition party them for that. So the PPRC self they cause problem. Therefore, me they suggest, let them pull and come on at the constitution. Let them disband that body day. Let them give the registration of political parties back to the National Electoral Commission. What they can do now for make the National Electoral Commission get a separate division. We go get competent, sober-minded people them. We go register the political parties them. Or then give them the political parties then go register to the administrator and registrar general in office. Nothing wrong with that. All you need for do now for can show the National Electoral Commission your registration certificate where the administrator general or the administrator and registrar general will give you. The PPRC need for go. We don't need them. We don't need them at all. Just like how I say, because most of them party they get ill-motivated people them. Where their own loyalty not to themselves, to their ambition, they're not loyal to the party there at all. People and they where they come, that them party for can aspire for the party in flag just because they want can use them position and therefore make money for themselves. We don't see in 2012. Then get a boku money then at the political party. Then today they're not able to present an audited report. And I want in the way PPRC, if they be serious, therefore take them party then they to task for. Therefore there should be penalties for that. And one of them penalties therefore be that therefore even ban the party from participating in the politics if they don't want for account for the money there. Let them know who side the money then they come out. Because we don't want dirty money for come inside with politics. That one they go can kill with democracy. So do ya at the beg we members of parliament there, let them pay attention to this revised constitution where Joseph Kamara gave for bring to them. Then right now, let them begin for educate people them on waiting there at the revised constitution. The original document where Justice Cowan present to them, then for pull them together with the white paper. So people then go able for compare them two documents and then go able for make an informed decision at the end of the day. Until next week, we will bring to another edition. This is Alpha Saidu Bangwa, they say tata.